Now, according to Gopa, not only junk food, Gopa is also playing havoc with his life by watching TV for long hours. He called that you watch Idiot Box daily. So Gopa said there is nothing wrong with the junk food. He said, Gopa, this is the problem. यही तो problem है. He said, you people can't make out the difference between good and bad things. तुम्हें पता ही नहीं चलता क्या चीज़ good है क्या चीज़ bad है. So Gopa said, can you tell me clearly? He said, yes. Chocolates contain metal, harmful metal which can damage your brain. So Gopa is shocked that chocolates contain metals. He said sugar is another dangerous chemical. आप सबको पता है उसमें शुगर भी होती है. So he said potato wafers are cooked in the oil that is harmful for health. तो oils, sugar and chemicals and metals all made the junk food harmful. Gopa said, I never knew this, nobody told me. So he said, your mother has warned you many times, but you never paid attention to her. He said, then you watch TV for long hours. You know that harmful rays of the television damage your eyes? Gopa said, oh, it is this. But that is why my friends wear specs. तभी बहुत सारे बच्चों को आजकल specs लगे हुए हैं, चश्मा लगा हुआ है. He said, yes, because of harmful rays of the television. Then he said, you don't do exercises, you don't play games, you don't do physical activities. You must keep your body trim and fit. Otherwise, your body will stop further growth and development. So Gopa said, I never knew this. He said, now I have told you everything. So better act fast, otherwise you will become ill at an early age. So, oh, it is very bad. I don't want to die so fast. I don't want to be ill. So he said, I want to go to college. I want to become an astronaut. So becoming an astronaut is a aim, or you can say it is a dream of Gopa. He said, yes, I come to want to an astronaut because it is adventurous and it is thrilling. So alien said, you can become an astronaut, but for that you have to follow the discipline in everything. Get up early in the morning, do morning walks, avoid late night movies, avoid junk food. So he said that I expect all the children of the world to be healthy, happy and wise. So गोपा को अब ये चीज़ समझ में आ गई है. Now alien said, that's all that is left. We are the doomed species then. Means death तो सबकी होनी ही है. So alien said, yes, it is right. Now Gopa said, that means your message need to be spread to all the children fast and quickly. So alien said, yes, spread my message among the children. So Gopa said, we are trying to save us. He said, yes, we are trying to save you because it is a part of universal brotherhood. Now, Gopa said, do you mean there are other intelligent species scattered around the universe? He said, yes, like sun is a star and countless stars in the universe which are orbiting planets like Earth. Intelligent, not necessarily human-like species have evolved from them and are thriving. We form a brotherhood. Means it is a part, whatever we are doing, it is a part of universal brotherhood. Now you can see that Gopa have understood everything. Now Gopa asked the alien, can we meet again? The alien said, it is difficult to reply कि मैं अगली बार तुमसे कब मिलूँगा. Gopa said, no, अभी बताओ मुझे अगली बार कब मिलोगे. Alien said, sorry, bye. So Gopa started shouting, no, tell me when you are coming back, tell me when you are coming back. Now lights on the stage got dim. Alien disappears. When light returns, Gopa is still on the bed. He is shouting the last sentences. And then his mother rushes into his room. अचानक से उसकी मदर भागे आते हैं उसके रूम में और उसको जगाते हैं कि क्या हुआ. एंड शी फाइंड हिम एक्सट्रीमली पजल्ड. गोपा जो था वो नींद में चिल्ला रहा था. मीन्स गोपा हैड सीन अ ड्रीम. शी आस्क्ड गोपा, व्हाट्स द मैटर? गोपा सेड, वेयर इज़ ही? मदर इज़ कन्फ्यूज. किसके बारे में पूछ रहा है ये? एक्चुअली गोपा ने एक सपना देखा था और वो सपने में ही चिल्ला रहा है. ही सेड, एलियन. मिसेस देव सेड, एलियन? हु इज़ एलियन? He said he came from an outer space. He was talking to me. So mother said, "You must have seen a dream, Gopa. Get up now." He said, "No, no, no. He had been talking to me about chocolates." वो मेरे से chocolates के बारे में बात कर रहा था. So mother said, "So chocolates are coming in your dreams too." अच्छा, अब सपने में भी chocolates ही नज़र आते हैं. She said, "Okay, it's already 6 o'clock. Get ready for the school." So Gopa said, "Yes, it's a wonderful to tell all to my classmates." तो वो कहता है, हाँ हाँ बिल्कुल स्कूल जाऊंगा मैं, और आज मैं अपने फ्रेंड्स को पूरा जो उसने ड्रीम देखा था उस सब के बारे में बताऊंगा. तो मिसेस सेड देव सेड चॉकलेट्स के बारे में. ही सेड, नो मम्मी, अगेंस्ट चॉकलेट्स. उनको ये बताऊंगा कि चॉकलेट्स नहीं खानी चाहिए, सॉफ्ट ड्रिंक्स नहीं पीनी चाहिए, वेफर्स नहीं खानी चाहिए. मिसेस देव सेड, यही तो मैं तुम्हें इतने सालों से समझा रही थी. ही सेड, यस मम्मी, यू वर ट्रू. यू ऑलवेज लव योर सन एंड वॉन्ट हिम टू बी हैप्पी, हेल्दी एंड वाइज, इज नॉट इट? मदर सेड, यस. नाउ गो एंड गेट रेडी फॉर योर स्कूल. Gopa, yes mummy, you are wiser than alien. So this is how a mother had been teaching her child many years that to be healthy, happy and wise. But a meeting with an alien, a dream with an alien had changed the life of little Gopa.